Why are penguins so unique? Did you know that penguins are birds that can't fly but are amazing swimmers? Their bodies are shaped like torpedoes, and their dense feathers work like a wetsuit. The toughest of them all is the emperor penguin. It can survive in -60 degrees Celsius, -76 degrees Fahrenheit, and keeps its egg on its feet to protect it from freezing. They eat fish and squid, but hey, race a cool fact. Penguins have a special gland that filters salt from seawater. And now, a fact that will blow your mind. When penguins find their mate, they give them a pebble, just like an engagement ring. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments.